Today we're going to be opening Godzilla 2004. So this one is Giant Kong, and this one's Kong. And this one is brand new. So the box is really huge. I have to seal like this. So, and it's really big. I'm pretty sure it's like bigger than Giant Kong right here. And I hope you like the video that I did when I'm opening Giant Kong. And this is the same one. So Godzilla 2004 is really awesome. And he's really big. And the box is almost the same as like this one and this one, because these boxes are made by the same person, but this one isn't. But the box is like the same shape. And it says, it also has something I had to read on the back too. So it says 9 monsters are attacking kittles across the globe, and permits only hope against time action may lie frozen in the Atlantic. Godzilla from the 2004 film Godzilla Final Wars. So this one's from Godzilla Final Wars movie. So
that's a cool picture on the back. Do you like that picture, buddy?
yeah, it's a picture of like.
Show everybody.
So this cool picture.
Ooh. He looks ferocious. Look at his claws.
Yeah, and on this, it's kind of almost the same because he has still 4 fingers, and the spikes are spiky. And you also have to put on the tail on every single Godzilla. Okay, now I have cut it out, so now let's take it out. Oh, it's heavy. And then let's get the tail. And then let's put it on. And let's put on the tail. Well, the tail's not straight. There we go. So now I did it. And we can move this part. And we can move this part. And can we move his feet? Oh yes, we can. We can make him like running or something. And he is like, wait. So, this one's not Godzilla versus Kong, but these two are. But this one's not. But I still like it because it's like really big, and it's almost like Giant Godzilla, because this one is called Giant Kong and this one's called.
That one's got 3 rows of spikes on his back too, Warren.
What? Wow. And this spike is kind of weird. It's just like a curve. And you can move his head. You move both of his arms. And it's, oh, I just noticed you can also move. That part is really hard to move. And it's, I'm sorry about the music, but he's not as fat as the new one, and his head is a little bit of a different shape because like the new one is a little different, and his mouth is a little bit smaller or bigger, maybe the same size. And his tail has 3 rows. And the new 2021 Godzilla has only 1 row of spikes, but the 2004 Godzilla has 3 rows of spikes. Because 1, 2, 3. So and I like the new ones better than the old ones because I like the sounds better and they look cooler. And I like how like the oldest one without the costume is Godzilla 2014, but this is 10 years less, Godzilla 2004 instead. So, tell me in the comments which Godzilla is your favorite, the new ones or the old Godzillas. So, now I'm going to end the video, so bye guys. See you on the next video.